Welcome back to Luso Overland. Today I don't have a big video for you, but it is time to say goodbye to one of the Monteros in the fleet right there, Reggie. It's his time to go to the junkyard. This is Reggie, aka Reginald T. Rust Bucket. We've had it for quite a few years now, at least 2 or 3. It was the Gen 3 test vehicle. We used this to get all kinds of products. Like these, I remember these window moldings. That was like one of the very first things we used this vehicle for. The last thing we used it for is for developing Gen 3 fuel filler hoses. We should have those in the next couple months. Just finished the prototype on that. But yeah, it's ready to go to the junkyard. It's super sad to send a Montero to the junkyard. You know I hate doing it, but I feel like we got as much out of this thing as we could. The reason why it had to go to the junkyard is because it was from Chicago and it's super rusty, and every time you try taking a bolt out of it, they snap right off. And ultimately it wasn't something that we wanted to fix. It needs new alignment bolts because they're rusted in there. It needs brake lines remade because the rear brakes rusted out. So yeah, now we have a new Gen 3 test vehicle. So actually we have a new Gen 3 test vehicle, then end up getting 2 more Gen 3s. So really don't need this one. But yeah, as you can see, we parted it out and we did a good job. Almost everything will live on. Again, you can see engine, transmission out of this thing. Let's take a look inside. So, you know, even the carpet went to a new home. There's very, very little that was not used. If it wasn't used, it's because there's something wrong with it, or like in the case of this front bumper, it's too big to ship. Same with the hood. But other than that, we tried our best to use everything. We got the differentials out of it, front and rear. You can get a good view for a lot of this rust up in here. So long, Reggie. Thank you for your service. Oh man, that's sad. You know I hate sending Monteros to the junkyard, but we definitely got our use out of it. If you purchased parts from our 2001 parts vehicle, that was it. Comment down below what you bought, and that'll be cool to see all you guys posting what you bought and how it helped you. And if you're wondering what did we get paid for that beautiful vehicle in its current condition, we got the princely sum of $100, and it's about to be crushed into a cube. Have a good one, you guys.